The reason why uploading YouTube Shorts is so amazing is because you can get new subscribers by just simply repurposing your old content. If you post long form content on YouTube and you haven't posted one YouTube short, that's the same thing like you struggling to swim in the ocean while there's a life jacket right next to you that you can simply use. Here I have an example right here. This is a channel that I run that has a little over 3,000 subscribers where I've uploaded around 30 to 40 YouTube shorts. And on this channel I've gotten 1 million views and I've gotten 3,000 subscribers. Now imagine if I posted long form content on this channel. That is 3,000 subscribers that I could be redirecting towards my long form content. That is about 1 million views that can be redirected towards my long form videos. And when uploading a short on YouTube, there's something called ad related video, where you can simply add a long form video that will funnel your viewers to it from your short form content. So imagine if I posted long form content on my shorts channel, that would be 1 million people having the option to be funneled into my long form content and watching that instead. Let's say even just 1% of people went on it, then that would just be 10,000 new viewers by just uploading a couple shorts every so often. This right here is Dimitri, and he makes the YouTube shorts for the channel. And as you can see from Dimitri, we get an increased amount of views towards our long form content because the short form viewers will press on it and then they're redirected into the longer form content, which I record. And so we've noticed every time we post a YouTube short, we actually get an increased amount of views for our long form content. And that's not even counting the subscribers we get from those YouTube shorts on top of that. And from my personal experience, I've noticed we get about 5 long form content views for every 100 YouTube short views. To put that in perspective, if you were to get 100,000 views on YouTube shorts, then you're redirecting 5,000 viewers to watch your long form content. And that would have been 5,000 viewers you would not have if you hadn't repurposed your old content to post on YouTube. In this video, you'll learn how to make 30 YouTube shorts in 1 or 2 hours that will funnel viewers to your long form content, and you'll also learn how to use AI to make the chances of them going viral even higher. Getting into step number 1, you're gonna wanna find a playlist just like this on YouTube where it's full of TikTok songs that you can use for your content. I promise they become much more engaging when you use good music for them. You can look for non-copyright music if you want to get your shorts monetized. Me personally, I don't care about the monetization. I'd rather have them funnel into my long form content and get me new subscribers to the channel. Now for step number 2, we're gonna use a software called TubeMagic, which is an AI completely dedicated for YouTubers and has all of these AI tools right here that will help you go viral on YouTube. But the one we're gonna wanna particularly look at is the keyword research tool right here. Now we're gonna put in the topic of our channel, and for this example we're gonna use TubeMagic, so we're just gonna do YouTube automation. So then we're gonna filter by search volume and look for the highest search terms. So we have I'm in Godzi, AI, how to make money online, and YouTube automation. So these 3 look like giant searched words right here: YouTube automation, how to make money online, and AI. And if you look at the TubeMagic channel, we already have a video where we're showing how to make money online with AI with YouTube automation. So this would be the perfect video to use as a reference. Now for step number 3, we actually have 2 options for doing step number 3. And the first one is going to be how to make the best shorts with AI. And the second one will be how to make them super easy with AI. Using an AI software called Veed, which you guys can use anything else, but I'm using this as an example, I have my video uploaded. And right here, I'm gonna press on resize for social media, and I'm going to hit on YouTube short. So it's set to as the YouTube short format, and I'm gonna hit on fit and center, and I'm gonna hit on duplicate and resize right here. Now I can hit on open project in a new tab. Then I'm going to select on my video right here and Control C and Control V. So I'm recopying it, and I'm gonna lower the volume on this new one so there isn't a duplicate audio track. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this one all the way to fit the parameters right here, center it just like that, and expand it all the way just like this. Next, I'm gonna go to adjust right here, and I'm gonna scroll down and blur this background like this so that it's not as prominent. And I can also darken it too a little bit right here. So I'm gonna turn on the brightness a little bit, just like that. And now my video is in YouTube short format. Now I'm gonna have to find less than a minute of content throughout this video that I can use as a YouTube short, because YouTube shorts can only go up to a minute long. All right, so now I have a little bit over 20 seconds of footage, and now I'm gonna go over to the subtitle tool right here, and I'm going to hit on auto subtitle, and we're just gonna create automatic subtitles for my video. Vita is going to do all the work for me. While it's generating this, I'm going to put some text up here that explains the context of the video. So I'm going to go over to text and I'm going to hit on headline title as a very simple title. I'm going to resize that to be a lot bigger. And I'm gonna make it say why using an AI script writer is important. There we go. And I'm gonna make that a little bit smaller actually, so it's not as big. There we go. Perfect. And I'm gonna lower that a little bit more just so it fits on screen. There we go. And then if we go back to our subtitles, they should be finished just like that. And now my video is automatically subtitled as well, and we can go through and make sure that it's all correct. But right now I'm gonna add the music that I downloaded from that playlist. Going over to audio, I'm gonna upload a file. I'm going to drag this MP3 down and then I'm going to crop it right here. And then I'm going to lower the background music quite a bit so it's not too loud and so it doesn't flesh out the music. And there we go. In just 3 to 4 minutes, I've made a YouTube short and you can watch that right now. Don't believe me that this works? Well, from my personal experience, here's a video's audience retention before I used the AI scriptwriter. And here's one directly after I started using it. And as you can see, the audience retention is a lot better and a lot healthier. YouTube will specifically boost videos with high audience retention. So by just using this one tool, you're able to increase your audience retention just like that. Now for option 2, using a site like Opus Clip, you can just simply drop the link of your video right in here, then go through and select a format you like. So for this example, I'm gonna use karaoke, and then you can just hit get clips in one click. And now Opus is actually doing all the hard work for you. And as you can see right here, it's going to say my estimated waiting time is 16 minutes. So now I can just wait 16 minutes and then come back and Opus will have done all the work for me on my shorts. Now I'm back 15 minutes later and now Opus has made me a list of 14 shorts that they've completely generated for me, and they're ranked by their chances of going viral with an explanation on why that is. And if you don't like a clip, you can simply go ahead and edit them, but we're gonna start downloading a bunch of these shorts and uploading them. And the cool thing about Opus is you can just keep going video through video and generate much more than 30 YouTube shorts within an hour using Opus. And after downloading your Opus shorts, I recommend adding your background music using Veed or any other video editor, and this is how that looks like. Whatever process you pick, you just need to use this one last tool that will ensure the chances of your video going viral are the absolute highest. When uploading your video on YouTube, instead of filling everything out, leave it blank and don't set your video as public. Instead, set it as unlisted and wait for it to finish processing before you copy the link to your video. Now our next step is going to be the most important one, and it's going to ensure the videos have the highest chance of going viral. But before we get into that, I noticed a lot of you guys have been reaching out asking for free one-on-one consultations, and I'm super flattered that you guys want me to review your channels and help you guys grow on YouTube. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to do several one-on-one free trainings, so we came up with a solution. We're actually hosting a completely free live training that you can attend by pressing on the link in the description below, where you will discover how to potentially 10x the growth on your YouTube channel. This training is completely free. The only catch is that it has a limited amount of people that can attend, but you can save your spot right now by pressing on the link in the description below. So right now we're uploading the short on YouTube, and the biggest mistake people make is they put a title, description, and tags just right down here on their video, but we're gonna be a lot smarter than that. We're actually gonna use AI to completely optimize our video based on already viral winning videos on YouTube. And once your video is finished processing, which it's a YouTube short, so it's gonna process quickly, we're gonna go over here and copy the link of our video, and then we're gonna switch right back over to TubeMagic. Now on TubeMagic's main tool page, we're gonna scroll down to the Warp Upload tool right here, insert our link, and hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is scanning viral videos and looking at a pattern of their viral optimization, and it's using that same thing to make you a title, description, and tags for your video. As you can see here, all my tags right here. Here's my description using all of these great keywords. Obviously, it doesn't understand that this is TubeMagic and not TubeMagic. AI messes up, but it's a quick, easy fix. And then here's a potential title that I can use, and I can simply go through and copy these and put them on my short. And the biggest difference between you and other people posting YouTube shorts is that they're too lazy to optimize every YouTube short they upload. But with using TubeMagic, you can do it in seconds using already viral videos, and machine learning does all the work for you. Now you guys can get TubeMagic for one entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below and virally optimizing your videos and using all of its features. And if you guys want to know all of TubeMagic's AI tools, then check out this video right here because they really will help you with YouTube.